What are you doing?
Hey Amelia, look! I just finished the build!
We're terrible actors.
We're trying to set up an intro for it and I can't help laughing. Hello there, Patreons, YouTube members. How are you all today? We've just finished the Valorant build. I've never played Valorant in my life, so I had to do a lot of research to actually get this up and running, because I had no idea what theme Valorant was, but I saw this cool character called Phoenix, and so that's what we based the theme off of. What do you think, Amelia?
I love it.
You know, the only thing that I'm disappointed with, and well, not normally the RAM was set to like red or orange, but the GPU, we can't get that to show up in the Aorus Fusion, RGB Fusion software for some reason, so it's stuck on RGB. I think it's the software's issue. I don't think there's anything wrong with the graphics card. What do you think about the front though? We haven't airbrushed in ages. We're not airbrush pros, but yeah, we did a bit of airbrushing. You can see like the faint sort of smoky orange, white.
Yeah, I think you did a really good job.
Well, yeah, well, considering we have no idea what we're doing. Normally Valorant's like a salmon type colour with black, but because we use Phoenix, we wanted to incorporate the orange in there. We had a red and black CPU block, so we wanted to make the fans red and orange, as you can see at the front there. And by making them red and orange, then we were able to use that CPU block and it actually fit the theme pretty good. I don't know why, but these fans should be orange in the middle as well. For some reason, those ones aren't showing up orange, but these ones are. So I have to go into the software again and just tinker with that a bit. But what do you think?
I really like it. I thought it was funny in the video how you couldn't fit the big reservoir in there.
It wouldn't fit in because of the fan, but we had previously measured without the fan on there, so it just didn't compute in my mind at the time. So we ended up using this smaller EK reservoir.
It looks so cute in there.
Yeah, I mean, we need a few more of these because they're really good for tiny, tight spaces as well.
Yeah.
Which is really good. And then over here...
Ooh, little sneak peek.
Little sneak peek, but, well... but is it a sneak peek, though? Because they won't see this video until next month.
That's true.
It's not a sneak peek, but we're filming it beforehand, obviously, because we've got the parts here.
Yeah.
But, yeah, we've got a new build coming up. It's got a 10980XE processor. It's going to be a workstation PC for a friend of ours. We've also got this lovely motherboard here. I'm very excited to work with this one, the Extreme Water Force X299. It's going to be a beast. 1600 watt power supply. We've got all of this storage down here going in. That's 246. That's 8 terabytes of M.2 storage there. And then there's these ones. I forget how much is on. 1 terabyte each. So there's 10 terabytes of M.2 storage. And we've got a 2080 Ti going in there as well. So it's going to be a pretty beefy system. Also in a View 91, so yeah.
Another big computer.
Yeah, and that's a big case. I bet you can't
huge.
wait until it's out of the lounge room.
Oh, we just had 2 of them in the lounge room.
Yep, well they're gone now.
Can't wait. Oh yes! Oh yes!
I think I could fit myself in this case.
You probably could, especially the box.
Yeah. So this one right here is actually a build for one of our friends who runs a IT business of some sort. This is their workstation PC, and we have, for the most part, drained both loops. There still is a bit in the orange loop that we still need to get out. But yeah, this will be going pretty soon. It weighs a lot.
It does weigh a lot.
Yeah, it's crazy. Nice custom power supply shroud there. It's getting a bit dusty though, so we might have to give it a bit of a wipe down before we get rid of it. But yeah, this needs to go because it's taking up the whole lounge room.
It really is.
It's a very big case, and I'm sick of building big computers. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got for this system. I hope you all enjoyed this one. This was a pretty awesome one, trying to get all of these tubes nice and parallel.
Yeah, one of my favorites for a long time, this one, I think.
Welcome back. New day, new builds. these are 2 of the 3 MSI builds that we did. We've already packed the budget one because that is going back to MSI. We've been taking this one apart. I took the GPU out and the power supply out because I want to pack those away. The GPU will wibble, in shipping and that, so better be safe than sorry when shipping this back to MSI. This beast of a system right here, we're actually going to be keeping because we will be doing a build for the MSI 3090 Gaming X Trio, I believe it's called. So we're going to keep this massive case, do a water-cooled build inside, and then benchmark these systems. Good thing here is I have a 2080 Super, I have a couple of 2080 Ti's, 2070 somewhere, and so I'm going to have GPUs that I can use to compare results against. So that's going to be super exciting, and I cannot wait. So yeah, we're keeping this one. This one's going. I'll keep on packing. Is your hair stuck in the power button?
Oh my god.
Hey guys, here's another build that we pulled apart without filming.
Oops.
Yeah, because we're good at this and our brains are functioning, and we always remember to film these videos for you guys. This was our soft tube build. What was this case called? The Antec DF600 Flux or something like that.
Yep.
New cooling solution where they've got a reverse fan on the power supply shroud, and the idea behind that is it brings fresh air from the back because there's an open grill, and then brings it up and cools the GPU directly. Obviously there's no GPU inside this, but we thought we'd keep this one together because we might add a hardline loop inside this system, to give it some more love, because I thought it was a pretty cool build. Probably go with maybe a yellow or an orange or something to sort of match the accents of this motherboard. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah, that would look good.
Yeah. Anyway, guys, that's about it for, well, I shouldn't say today's video because it's really been well, it kind of is today, right? Because we filmed it all in one day when it's meant to be filmed progressively over the month. But, hey, we're still on top of it. It's only a couple of days late.
We're getting there.
Hope you all enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Bye.